Chitariki isano nemo omotienyi ogatano bosomotienyi okianda omwaka wechirubere nemerongo ebere na inyomwanchumuriria Ondizi TV andonsi aso tengerete nino kwegena ngani gwenderete kutwara omugaso omuya ase nayo kubamanyia ayaberega kweneke korwa kete chinza chia mambi kwekera bono omugaso mwanchumuriria Ondizi TV litukuliana litukoli bwate ko ichano konene maiga ya boro kiwa wetani 15 ase skuru yemo ime county ya Nyeri ko baba kujia kubwatkananga nomurero obete kugotubuka ase eskuru eyo ase boigolibirera linene ria siasa rigendrete ase county area Nyamira egati yo mugavana county yo no senator Okongo omogeni egati yo na yande nimekomanya ase nchira yo bwengeritene nkoro kwa Job Maangi no kwenda kinga tibiche chibo na Mario Gyaya abera wekera ase nchira yobo ikera nunere Lydia Mosenigo yaragire chinsa isano na ibere ono tigatanyore ase nchira ere yogwenge. Na wakwenda tubwato tera senchiro mtandao ito Facebook Ondizi TV News digital YouTube Ondizi TV News na wetera mtandao ito www.ondizitv.net ama yeni kutuwa chakuru ase county ya Nyamira asema egayo mugavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Kimomi Nyaribo wikera na abosio bwe bunge yes senate nigo omo senator we county eyo Okongo omogeni aba gagwe soki vene na komochia Gavana oyo anemono ase abete gautwara chinga kichinkongu kwiraneria amabolyo abete gakoboliwa naba senator ingana otebanga ne korokinga nigo botumekibwe chibesa bogendrete ase county eyo nigo abagakorwa okobolia ase abamenyi koba maiso na otebanga eretaligo chikogoswa kolende nabe gakogendra konekinga nkumulekirale obotumekibwe chibesa ase serikali ye county area ya Nyamira.
Ikaro mwaka nyagarama araire. Mwana liyo ngota kunga chiwa saija tometu chimilioni 18. Abantu bachigokora mukutano Kisumu. Ingota baba saka Nyeri girali buya. Ote bina bibi ndonale ko bo. Abo bona ngaina asali. Abo ni sali tiken. Ne bintu binde so modi dawa tabanga. Chibesa otoko de ucha tumegete 35 million. Lakini togo chikolire torachi achira 68 ore ninga teyo mugabana ekero gocha korene lie bintu bunebi wacha ne bank statement ikiranja no wakiri naro lie sogete lie esoete abunisa litikenda bantomi ebina bingo kora no mosena na bero tobauti nero yongo mosabo mugabana tanya gochandika godaba ngoko ngabere ndabweka no olio kabere ngakera chumo gaiteiro bisi itario tokwani nchita idigo chio obisi anengo janake breki saba na inchi na ila na Nairobi ama sakarate aba batumiete 1575 omodi toto tenge esaro jo mukutano bete chimine tichire na abantu baseineti yo chire 1200 chio ona akirende chichinde 375 ngaichi achi
Totigaranete bose totigarete asamangana arengete chi county nigo aba governor babere bakwamirelia okugania kuna cha wechi besa chekerengo gechi bilioni emerongo ebere chirichi goikerana sechi county asumuna we Kenya mori chikorukunga equitable funds sebabere bagotebanga nengana erabe ge kuirania maiga amagendro bagoikerana bose barenge chinga kibalenge bose obwe bunge area yes senate nigo aba governor ase obumu babete bakubulia senate kuligerelia enganeye ase obwagaliri ndekwenekinga serikali chechi county ngo chikoro chire kugenderera
UHC chair and the cost implication of that we are required to cover out almost 40 billion which is non-discretionary costs.
As county governments, we act for the people of Kenya, not for ourselves. And the way the trend that I'm seeing at the moment, we may need to ask ourselves whether we need to go back to the Kenyans who passed the constitution and allow the executive to annex the counties, and we go home.
It was almost like a standard clause that if there's a shortfall of revenue at national level, that shortfall will be borne by the national government. Why? Because counties do not raise revenue. Revenue is raised by national government.
The minute there's presidential assent on division of revenue, it is a contract. The minute there is that assent and the amount has been set at 400.
Togosika bosioni go abamenyi bensemo ya Juja babeire bakora okorobekana kobwatekana nga nomochando bugochandwa ne chingiti cyoro sana anemono chinyanga we cyabeire chikwirira abanja bange gosiria amagima abo egekoro kyabete kwirira barubugo twara obororo obonena bo gokora okorobekana ase para enene ime county area jana Nairobi nkobwatekana nga no mwana we miaka 3 koliegwa nenyanga asebono babeire bakubulia eserekali kuirige tambukiro kya bwango ase okora omuchando oyobo chingiti cyoro sana anemono cyabeire chikwirira abantu abange gosiria amagima abo.
Saa moja hapo, kulikuwa 1:30 tukatoka sisi tukaenda. Sasa hiyo ndio nilisikia ni mtu wangu ameenda amechukuliwa na fisi.
Mama wamekuliwa, baba wamekuliwa, sasa tumesema leo tumechoka.
Tumeweza kuongea na washikadau viongozi kutoka pande za Eastern na wameahidi ya kwamba watatuletea mitego ambayo tutaweka pale pahali tunafikiria fisi anaweza kuwa akiishi na tuweze kukamata hawa fisi.
We have managed to bring the situation under control. A number of hyenas have been pacified.
Togosika bosioni goboliberera linene ligendrete ase orogongoro lya rwa Mount Kenya ase abarai bandate kuruterana chinsase igati yomo rai wense abosomo konyi bo murai wense Rigathi Gachagua nigo ongukungsana kwa birakorakana nomo bunge olia wense moya Kikuyu Kimani Ichung'wah ase bono Kimani Ichung'wah oyuboigo oromorai wabale nomo baro omonene ase bunge elia enene abere otebanga taligo chugwanchira na kogosereriwa nomokonyi bomurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua na gusaba amaskani igati yabarai ase boigo abagakorwa okuboria ase abarundi chigali ne chipigipigi kwene kinganko babale maiso rindego keania eme basokano yabere korokana komentekana ase amatuko abwangoiga ase chipara.
Wewe usijaribu kufikiria ati unaweza nitisha sababu uko na cheo inakaribia rais hapo. Mimi hakuna mtu anaweza nitisha hii Kenya na hii dunia. Niliwaambia naogopa Mwenyezi Mungu peke yake, uji moto na umeme peke yake. Pasiwe na mtu anafikiria ati atanitisha mimi. Na kama wewe ni mkabila, usiniingize mimi kwa mambo ya ukabila. Kama wewe ni mtu wa kublackmail rais na serikali ya Kenya ili ujitajirishe wewe mwenyewe, ati ununue mahoteli kutoka hapa Nairobi mpaka Mount Kenya Nyeri, yote ununue mahoteli na pesa ya umma na ufikirie utaniuzia uoga, sio mimi. Lala, amka, utafute mwingine, sio Kimani Ichung'wah. Watu wa Rongai nikisimamia hapo ama niuziwe uoga? Nisimamia hapo.
Whether it is a design of our roads, we just need to be more careful while we drive, but also to urge our ministry, transport, as one of our lady members have said, the CS transport hakikisha ya kuwa sheria zote za barabara.
Togosika bosioni go omwaziri otenete amangana arengete chinguru cyomorero Opiyo Wandayi abeire gakwenekeria abakenya ngana abigete meroberio anemono yokwenekinga ngo chigokora bale omochando bokuborwa gwestima yenko batikananga nogo chakigwa we kamati erabe kumulekira emechando yabere kwenekiwa kubwatikananga nokuborwa gwe chinguru cyomorero aniga yakwana chingaki aba gakonyora orobochi kurwa sekiombe yokumulekira nabo kwene kinga nkobeka kere emerero ase chinsemo au imense yeito ya Kenya Power ase baba komwa oroboti rwe miaka 5 buna emerobiri babegete anemono ase okogendereria sector eyo.
Now, the engagement also delved on the various challenges experienced, which are normal, I'm sure you know, which are experienced by the institution, and legislative, policy, and operational initiatives that have been put in place or over which they are seeking support from other government agencies and departments to enable it to address them in a manner that resonates well with the aspirations and expectations of various stakeholders, and especially the consumers of Kenya Power product, which is electricity. As the interface between the ministry and the energy sector generally and the consumers or the customers, okay, in the entire value chain, expectations of the government and key stakeholders put a very high demand on Kenya Power, its board, management, and staff, to ensure that their strategies, policies, processes, internal culture, and practices remain ethical, effective, and customer responsive in a manner geared towards meeting and if possible, exceeding these stakeholders' expectations. The government, therefore, has reiterated its desire and commitment to the reform of strategic saga.
Togosika bosionigo abamenyi borogongo rwa Nyanza babeire bakubolibwa kwerenda nawe gutumika chinchira cyowe changa kurwa ase oburuire bw'Enyamoleo yengo batakananga no comment ka kuburuire bw'Enyamoleo ase abantu bale ase orogongo oruo kagosanga na abamenyi be county area ya Kisumu nigo mokonyi bumugabana we county yo aba gago cha Kibene bose koyikirana aso gosioliwa kwensemo yogo pima abantu babwate Enyamoleo nabo igo ensemo erabege kubekwa ase okugacho kwa manyinga y'abantu babeire bagopimwa oburire bw'Enyamoleo bunenchera yemo yokwene kinga ngokora bale umuchando yo ase ensemo eyo.
Still pick HIV among the many tests that we take. I've just been to one of the facilities and the statistics are worrying. And so from the office of the governor and the county government of Kisumu, we want to call upon our people to get back to the basics and help stem the spread of HIV.
Decentralizing lab services is therefore a key step towards moving the services closer to the people. This is aimed at reducing turnaround time, increased access to multi-disease testing, and providing a platform for shared testing resources, which consequently optimizes efficiency within a public health response.
This laboratory is going to be joined with other laboratories in our networks. We know Kisumu has been really strong on primary health care.
Mwanchumuriria Undizi TV oroboti unoturatuikira omweli obumangana maya chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugaso litana nenkoro kwa job ma angino bakwenda kinga chibichechi boygo na malio gabe wikira a senchera jobo ikiranere Lydia Mose wikira chinga kichinde tia nabaga nerie oburiria obuya ime Undizi TV nabwo obwansu bumugusi.